Hello students. In previous video we have completed lesson number 4, that is animals our friends. And in this chapter we have learned and understand the importance of animals in our life. And we have also discussed about the wildlife and the dangers of wildlife trade. We have learned that the body parts of many animals are used by humans, and that's why they kill them. And we have discussed about how we can protect the wildlife. And then we have tried to understand the importance of each and every animal in the food chain and food web. And we have also learned that how to take care of animals. Now today we will discuss the worksheet and questions of this lesson. So first of all we will start with fill in the blanks. So we keep dash and dash as pets. So you know which animals are keep as pets. You can write any two animals which you know. So most common animal that keep as a pet is dog, and it is the favorite pet of most of the people, and many people also keep cat as a pet. Now dash assist police in search operations. So we have already discussed that the sense of smell of dog is very good. So the police take help of dogs in search operations. So dog assist police in search operations. Next is your kasturi is an ingredient of dash deer. What is the name of that deer which have kasturi in its body? So kasturi is an ingredient of musk deer. Yes, musk deer. Now dash of elephants have been used for making jewelry. So which part of animal is used for making jewelry? Yes, teeth of elephant. And what we call the teeth of animal? Big teeth that are tusk. So tusks of elephant have been used for making jewelry. Extinction of frogs will increase the dash population. So if the frogs got extinct, the population of which thing will increase? Yes, because frog eats insects. So obviously the extinction of frog will increase the insect population. Insects population. Next is your food chain are found in all. Now food chain आपको कहाँ मिलती है? In all the habitats. That means in every area In all the habitats mean on land, in water, and on land means that in desert, in plains, in forests, in other areas on the hills, and we also found these food chains in water also. Next is your matchings. Match the following: crab, oyster, ox, mountain goat, and bald eagle. And here, pulling cart, endangered animal, pearl, seafood, pashmina wool. Here are the names of some animals, and here are given their uses. You have to match that what are their uses. Now crabs are used in pulling cart, and it is an endangered animal. We get pearl from it. It is a seafood, or we get pashmina wool from it. Yes, crab is a seafood. Crab is a seafood. Then oyster. Oyster is used in pulling cart. It is an endangered animal. We get pearl from it, or we get pashmina wool from it. Yes, oyster, we get pearl from the oyster. Next is your ox. You all know it is used in pulling cart. Very simple. Then mountain goat. What we got from this mountain goat? Pashmina wool that we have discussed. Pashmina wool. Mountain goats give pashmina wool. Then your bald eagle. Bald eagle is an endangered species, endangered animal. Now these are the uses of these animals. Next is your multiple choice questions. You have to tick the correct answer. 4 options are given. A delicacy made from the unfertilized eggs of a variety of fish is the... We have discussed in the chapter that a delicacy made from the unfertilized eggs of variety of fishes. What is it called? It is kasturi, caviar, pashmina, tusk. We know that we get kasturi from musk deer, caviar, pashmina wool we get from the mountain goat, and tusk we get from elephant. So caviar is the answer. Next, which of these animals is extinct? Out of these animals, which are extinct? That means, what do we mean by extinct animals? Animals which are no longer living. That means they does not exist on this earth now. So Bactrian camel, golden lion, quagga, and panda. So out of these, some are endangered animal and only one is your extinct animal. So here quagga is the extinct animal. Now we can't find quagga on this earth. So it is an extinct animal. Next, the body part of rhinoceros, for which it is often hunted by humans. So which part of the rhinoceros is used by humans? Bones, horns, legs, or skin? Yes, its horns are used by humans. Now humans are destroying habitat of animals by planting trees, reducing water pollution, controlling wildlife trade, cutting down trees. So destroying means उसको खत्म कर रहा है, तबाह कर रहा है. Destroying habitat of animals, जो एनिमल्स हैं उनके रहने की जगह को खराब कर रहा है. How? Planting trees, प्लांट्स लगाने से तो is good, वो तो और अच्छा है. जितने प्लांट्स होंगे, ट्रीज होंगे, फॉरेस्ट डेवलप होंगे, उतना बेटर है. तो इट इज रॉन्ग. रिड्यूसिंग वाटर पॉल्यूशन, रिड्यूसिंग वाटर पॉल्यूशन इज ऑल्सो गुड. वाटर पॉल्यूशन कम होगा तो वाटर एनिमल्स के लिए बेटर है, उनको ज्यादा ऑक्सीजन मिलेगा एंड दे कैन सर्वाइव इन द वाटर. कंट्रोलिंग वाइल्ड लाइफ ट्रेड, controlling wildlife trade means we are not killing the animals now, so controlling it, so that is also good. It is not helping destroying the habitats. Next here, cutting down trees. So yes, cutting down trees means destroying the habitat of animals, because जब हम trees cut होंगे तो forest भी खत्म हो जाएंगे, and forest is the gives food and shelter to the wild, or you can say animals. So it is the answer, cutting down trees. Next is here, which of the following food chain is correct? Now here are 4 food chains given. Leaves, frog, snake. That means leaves is eaten by frog and frog is eaten by snake. We know that frog does not eat leaves. Frog eat insects. So first one is wrong. Next, grains, hen and man. So grains are eaten by hen and hen is eaten by man. So B is grains, hen and man. That means grain is eaten by hen and hen is eaten by man. It looks to be correct. Then move to the second one. Acorn is eaten by rat and rat is eaten by eagle. Acorn is a nut or a fruit that grows on oak tree, and it is a nut, so it is eaten by rat and rat is again eaten by eagle. And next is your plant is eaten by jackal and jackal is eaten by lion. So this is wrong because jackal does not eat plant. So first and D is wrong. Now we have to see these two. Now these two seems to be correct because grains are eaten by hen and hen is eaten by man. And here acorn is eaten by rat, that is confirmed, and rat is eaten by eagle, that is also confirmed. Out of these two, although both are correct, but here C is more accurate. Why? Why not this? Because all the men are not non-vegetarians. Some are vegetarian also. So grains are eaten by hen, but not every man eats this hen. So this is not a proper food chain. So C is the correct answer. This is also correct, but out of these two, C is more correct option. So today we have discussed the worksheet of lesson number 4. Tomorrow we will discuss the question answers, short question answer as well as the long question answers of this lesson. Thank you.